Thanks for tuning in to the Mr. Show. We got about 9 shows. We got about 15 shows actually in this one show. So, I mean, like, nowadays, are the wrong men picking the wrong women, or is it the wrong women picking the wrong men? I want to show you also where you get your cell phone batteries, your lithium, your cobalt, right here. Yeah, the motherland. We got a lot of things talking about on this show, so stay tuned right here to Mr. Show. All right, redpillrixter. Let's get into it. One time. Let's go.
Where's she getting her beautiful looks from? Everything is making sense to me. You don't look old enough to have a 21-year-old daughter.
I'm 46.
No, you're not.
The gift of gab. Right? When you got the gift of gab, bro, and you can walk up to women and just talk to them, that's what it is, bro. In 2024, it looks like these guys nowadays ain't got no game, ain't got no gift of no gab. So, yo, let's hit this up one more time. Tinkal, the gift of gab, the Mr. Show. I redpillrixter. Let's go.
Where's she getting her beautiful looks from? Everything is making sense to me. You don't look old enough to have a 21-year-old daughter.
Right?
I'm 46.
No, you're not. Don't lie to me.
Where are you from?
From London, Inglaterra.
Okay.
You're not 46.
I'm 46.
You are 30.
This guy's full of game, yo. Yeah, how old do you think he is? He's looking kind of young still, I ain't gonna lie, but how old do you think he is? It's Mr. Show, and redpillrixter. Yo, I think he's probably in his young 20s.
35 at the most.
Oh, thank you. From 1975.
Yeah? Are you from Mexico as well?
I'm from Argentina.
¿Qué parte?
Argentina.
Buenos Aires.
Yeah, I don't like Buenos Aires.
No?
Buenos Aires, big up. All the Buenos Aires crew. Argentina crew, big up.
But I think that's because when I was there, you weren't there. If you were there, I would have loved it.
How old are you?
How old do you think I am?
Leave it in the comments. How old is he? I say he's like 27.
Less than 30.
Less than 30? So we're the same.
Good lyrics.
Where's she?
Get attention, you I wonder how I go on.
Yo, shout out to Kashi Diamond. Not all attention is good. Skit number 2.
You understand? You see, when me in the little short shots, me do get more attention than that, but the attention those are unwanted. Those are attention that I don't like. Me not say you must do your body, you know. Do your body because it make you feel nice and feel good with inside. You understand what me I say? But watch the dressing a little bit. Because for truly, man don't respect it. You hear that? All the little blood clot girl on Instagram I feel.
Real talk, be modest. Be modest in your dressing, ladies.
Them picture and all them something there. What you gonna do when the man say in a real life? What you gonna do when the man see you without no makeup? What you gonna...
So in November, I decided I no longer wanted to be a responsible parent, and I
all right, so number 3, waste mom.
gave up my kids. I was just tired of being responsible.
She said she was tired. Rewind that. She was tired of being responsible, so she just gave up her kids. It's as simple as that. Waste mom.
What you gonna do when the man see you without no makeup? What you gonna...
So in November, I decided I no longer wanted to be a responsible parent, and I gave up my kids.
Wow.
I was just tired of being responsible and caring for them. I felt like I was too young and I wanted to go out there and experience life, and I started dating someone else, so it just didn't fit with my new lifestyle. And I didn't have anything to worry about because the other parent is a very responsible parent. But now I'm here because now I'm child support.
Okay, so the other parent's very responsible. I wonder how he feels about seeing her being online talking this crap, yo.
And to top it off, I'm really pissed off that...
And she's paying child support, and she's online to complain about paying child support. Yo, this is what you call a blood clot waste, girl. Me, I tell her this right now. She wants to live the life of a 304.
With my new lifestyle. And I didn't have anything to worry about because the other parent is a very responsible parent.
Responsible.
But now I'm here because now I'm in child support. And to top it off, I'm really pissed off that I took care of them all the way up to November.
Good.
And I couldn't claim them on my taxes because the other parent had already claimed them.
So that's all she's complaining about, is that she couldn't claim them on her taxes, yo. This girl's a waste girl, yo. Bum.
If I go out with girls who have boyfriends and
all right, so number 4, single women keep women single. You understand? That's why married women and women in long-term relations are not supposed to hang out with single women at all. Because you're going to find out her ass will be single very soon if she's continuously hanging out with single women. It's real talk, bro. You don't have to listen to me. The stats prove it. Let's go.
It's like, if you love your boyfriend so much, just stay at home.
Yeah,
because
shut up.
you're ruining the vibe.
You're ruining it.
You're ruining the vibe for us single girls. Like, of course, like when us single girls are going out, we might meet some guys, or we might be on the table with a guy.
You're mingling, man.
We're mingling. And then you're moving bare hostile. You can't even talk to no one because sorry, I've got a man. It's like, okay, just go home then.
The UK accent. Hey, you're just moving bare hostile. Bare hostile. Yeah, the UK accent. Let's go.
Us single girls, like, of course, like when us single girls are going out, we might meet some guys, or we might be on the table with a guy.
You're mingling, man.
We're mingling. And then you're moving bare hostile. You can't even talk to no one because sorry, I've got a man. It's like, okay, just go home then.
Arms by the side like this. Can't talk to no one.
You can't talk to no one. Don't want to talk to anyone from the opposite sex, even if it's just in a friendly way. They won't do that. They'll be like, nah, sorry, I can't come on the table because my boyfriend. It's like, just go home. You just.
Yo, she's a good girl. The girl who said she cannot come on that table because of her boyfriend is an amazing little shorty, yo. Let's go.
You're ruining it.
You're ruining the vibe for us single girls. Like, of course, like when us single girls are going out, we might meet some guys, or we might be on the table with a guy.
You're mingling, man.
We're mingling. And then you're moving bare hostile. You can't even talk to no one because sorry, I've got a man. It's like, okay, just go home then.
Arms by the side like this. Can't talk to no one.
You can't talk to no one. Don't want to talk to anyone from the opposite sex.
That's a good girl.
Even if it's just in a friendly way, they won't do that. They'll be like, nah, sorry, I can't come on the table because
good girl.
My boyfriend. It's like,
good girl.
Just go home. You just go home.
I agree.
You're ruining the night for the girlies.
Yeah.
Are you single?
Yes.
Number 5, hookup culture has murked relationship. Has a completely ended relationship. This new hookup culture. Let's go.
Why?
Because I don't want a relationship.
So you're looking for hookups?
Yeah.
She sounds like she's drunk. She sounds like she's slurring. Let's do that again. Hookup culture has completely damaged relationships.
Just go home. Right?
I agree.
You're ruining the night for the girlies.
Yeah.
Are you single?
Yes.
Why?
Because I don't want a relationship.
So you're looking for hookups?
Yeah. No. Yes.
Let her be honest.
Her friend's trying to salvage her dignity. Look at the friend's face.
Okay, why are you not looking for a relationship though?
Because I got cheated on.
How many times?
As far as I know, at least 3.
Yikes. Right? So now you just want to have fun, live your life?
100%.
Is there a chance that maybe one day me and you can hook up?
I found one person that I'm talking
Nice. Buddy got game. Buddy got game.
Fuck yeah!
Can I get your number?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go.
Where's your phone at? Well, you know what?
Wait, he has my phone.
Well, we can put it on this back.
He?
Okay. Is this a Bible?
You need to retire your PATTICAKE.
So, my Caribbean people, what accent is this? Is it Guyanese? Is it Trinidadian? St. Lucian? Is it Barbados? Yeah, I know it's not Jamaican. So, all right. The man said, girlfriend, you need to retire your PATTICAKE. You know what your PATTICAKE is? Let's go.
I found one person that I'm talking
Fuck yeah!
Can I get your number?
Yes.
Where's your phone at?
Smooth.
Well, you know
Wait,
what?
he has my phone.
Smooth.
We can put it on this bad boy.
Okay. Is this a Bible?
You need to retire your PATTICAKE. 9 children. Critic, I am a single mother of 9. I am independent. I am looking for a man, a red man with a lot of hair. You need to stitch up your vagina.
Oh, God. Yo, looking for a red man. A red man in Caribbean terms. Kind of more like saying looking for a light-skinned guy. But oh my God, this guy is cold, yo. He's like, yo, you need to stitch up your what? Yeah. Let's go.
I'm independent. I am looking for a man, a red man with a lot of hair. You need to stitch up your vagina. You what I telling you? 9 children is a little you got. No, you gotta rest your cat, girl. Dante Bridges or whatever your name. Dante, a thing. Now, no disrespect. You need to rest your cat.
Oh boy.
You looking for a man Come on, man. You need to get some kind of surgical procedure. We're gonna stitch your.
Yo, surgical procedure?
Check this out.
This guy's cold, bro.
Rest your cat, girl.
Rest your cat.
Dante Bridges or whatever your name. Dante, a thing. Now, no disrespect. You need to rest your cat. You looking for a man? Come on, man. You need to get some kind of surgical procedure. We're gonna stitch your pattern, and you need to go into retirement with the PATTICAKE girl. 9 children. You need to start a fucking and a second stop course. But I can't stop course when I got to deal with them things. A woman gonna put in the camera, she got 9 children. You don't have a home, you got an orphanage. 9 children. You need to be looking for man on Facebook now. You need to register your orphanage as a non-profit organization. You understand? And start getting funding. 9 children.
Yo. This guy's cold like ice. I like him. Let's go.
Lady, you need to regularize that orphanage. You don't need a man.
Why do women friend zone guys who would make them wives for guys who made them single moms?
All right, so it's time for our young G's, number 7, to understand what is the friend zone.
I feel like sometimes it's really like the guys that'll make you a wife. Women, they don't want to like change who they are. So they say they want to be a wife, but they're not ready to really play the wife role or whatever. So I feel like that's really what
I feel like some women do know what they want with the wrong men, if that makes sense, because a lot of y'all want babies, cars, houses, with the guy that just doesn't want that. Like if he says no, it's no.
Yeah, so everybody, when you're on your cell phone, and you're on your cell phone, you know, and this is how your cell phone is available, is because Africa provides all the minerals that are needed for the batteries, that are needed for the lithium, that are needed for the cell phone to be able to be used. So this is why we can use our cell phones today, is because of these mines that are going on in Africa. So this is just a public service announcement from the Mr. Mr. Show. I'm redpillrixter.
Women are deciding to go underwear free. Why? So that they can get pregnant, to improve their vaginal health, and to...
All right, number 8. Benefits of going panty free. Saying, so you can get pregnant, improve the vaginal health, and what? Normal menstruation? I'm not sure. Let's see what he's saying.
Not have messed up menstrual cycles. Why does this matter? Fast fashion underwear is laced with chemical dyes and forever chemicals right next to an open cavity that happens to have some of the most absorbent skin on the body, taking these toxic chemicals and putting them directly into the bloodstream, causing inflammation and disease. Women choosing to take a break from their underwear and avoiding these toxic chemicals are finding a sense of relief and much better health. So does this mean that women are never wearing underwear again? No.
All right, hold on.
He needs some milk.
Just for the record, I'm sure there'll be a lot of men out there who'd be happy if women are not wearing underwear anymore. Real? Real talk, yeah, man.
It means you need to prioritize this, work on it, which means potentially organic materials, and knowing what day of the month you actually need to be wearing it, and when you can...
You said nothing wrong. Like, it devalues the woman when you...
Now, this is going to be a sensitive topic. It's going to be about value. The value of a woman. And is she valued prior to kids, prior to marriage? What is the value in a woman in 2024? Let's go. It's going to hurt a lot of feelings, but let's go.
It devalues the woman when you go through multiple men and have multiple baby daddies. We don't want to deal with that. If you got 3 kids and 3 baby daddies, it's like, damn, your decision-making skills are horrible.
Y'all forget that y'all the ones who playing right there. And then y'all forget that I'm 41 years old. I got a 25-year-old child. So you're basing your perception of me from 25 years ago. Come on. I'm not that person I'm not that kid that I was 25 years ago. And I'm not that young adult that I was 25 years ago. I've grown from that. I've healed from that. I now make better choices, better decisions, and I live more of a healthy love life, you know, than I did then. So you're gonna tell me, oh, well, you got this many kids. I can't date you.
No,
but that
Pretty much. And you are open to judgment, and you cannot be upset with someone judging you when you made a bad decision. I mean, after you make it called, cause and effect. You do something and there's going to be an effect of it. You have to pay for your consequences. It's also called accountability.
It happened 25 years ago.
Not the number of
At what
kids.
point are you?
It's not the number of kids, like he said. It's how much, baby father? That's the kind of shit that pisses off mans, yo. Let's keep it real. Let's go.
That kid that I was 25 years ago.
Speak on
and
it.
I'm not that young adult that I was 25 years ago. I've grown from that. I've healed from that. I now make better choices, better decisions, and I live more of a healthy love life, you know, than I did then. So you're going to tell me, oh, well, you got this many kids, I can't date you.
No,
but that happened 25 years.
Yeah, man can tell you that if they want. Doesn't matter your past and your emergencies and your situations is nobody else's problem. Yes, he can tell you that. He has a choice that he can make. He does not have to be buckled down into your situation and feel pressure just because of how you feel. Men are allowed to make choices.
Years
It's
ago,
not the number of
at what
kids.
point are you going to give grace? Like, at how long are you going to, I don't want to use the word punish, for lack of better words.
Forever. If we want to say forever is the price of your decisions, then you have to live with that.
A woman for her past.
It's
Like
not
Brian came out and said, I don't judge a woman from their past.
And then
We all
judged.
make mistakes. And then he basically just flat out judged.
That's the gentleman's preference. We're not judging you for how many kids. It's
Yeah.
how many baby fathers you got. If you get with a guy, and I'm 40 years old per
Yeah.
se, and I have 8 kids by 6 different women, that says something.
And then everybody's situation is different.
That
Like
part. 4
we all
kids
have
and
different
4 baby
circles.
daddies?
But that's not
3
what
kids
it
and 3
was.
baby
I have
daddies?
my children. I have by 2 different men, and I was in a 12-year relationship that was abusive. I escaped that by God's grace. I give thanks every day. And so when I moved on to
How do we say it best? We don't care. We don't care. We do not care why you messed up with your previous relationships and you come into us with all that baggage. We don't care. We actually don't.
the next relationship, I'm just looking for something better than what I had. And just because it was better doesn't mean it was for me. So when I realized this isn't for me, you know, should I marry this man just because society is going to look at me like I'm a failure as a mother or as a woman? Or no, should I keep going and look for what is really for me? I'm not going to say that I've made all the best decisions as a young adult. I never said I made the best decisions.
And that's what we're referring to, the decision-making skills.
Yeah, that's now. Yeah, that's in the past. So you're not gonna meet a woman and she tell you she stole a candy bar at 14 years old. Oh no, I can't do that. I don't do thieves. She's always a thief. Yeah, she was a kid. She made a mistake. She ate that, and the candy bar is gone. So
Yo, I like how she tries to what's the word? Like downplay it, like comparing your bad decision to have multiple baby daddies to a candy bar. To stealing a candy bar when you're a kid? Really? That's the best you can do as far as comparisons? Come on. Again, we don't care. And men don't have to pay for the mistakes that you made in the past, shorty. Let's go.
my situation, I feel like I ate that. I ate that relationship that I went through. I ate being a young teenage parent. I ate it. Like the young kids say, you ate. I feel like I ate. I've grown from that. I'm not that person that I was.
The relationship
so why?
is awesome, but the key, you're bearing the man's children.
Women today, like the modern women, they want the aesthetics of what a man is, but they actually don't want a man because they don't want to be submissive. And
All right, so number 10. Women in 2024, they're quick to give up. They don't work on shit. They don't work on nothing, yo. If it doesn't come easy for them, then they just want to give up. And that's what the new millennium relationship seems to be bringing. And that's why everybody's all screwed up. And that's why there's no more real relationships, because it's women. Men don't leave, eh? Women are the one who just give up. Straight up.
women today, like the modern women, they want the aesthetics of what a man is, but they actually don't want a man because they don't want to be submissive. And I know that's a word thrown out there. Women get scared of that.
Explain what you mean by submissive for those unaware.
Submissive as in respect.
Mm-hmm.
Being the peace, the calm, always. Right? So if a lion is roaring, you have to learn how to...
See, the problem is, a lot of these women think that they are the lion that should roar. And when they roar as a lion, the man should step aside. So what's the point of being a man? So when a man blood clot roar, my brother, don't make no woman tell you no different. To all the young G's watching right now, when you say I saw it for blood clot go, I saw it for blood clot go, and be ready to leave. Be ready to leave, shorty. Saying stand up in love, bro. Don't fall in love. Don't fall in love. Stand up in blood clot love. You get me? All right, let's keep going.
Quiet, you know? So it's just like women don't want to be submissive. Women don't want to be corrected. We're the only nation of women that say they don't need a man. And you have all these other nations, those women aren't saying that because they know the greatness and the importance of a man.
The value.
Being around. Not just financially, but for
physically, emotional support, protection. They know the value of a man. These women think they can do it all themselves until they crash and burn.
Or beyond that. It's beyond finances. It's for the structure. It's for the balance.
A bum a little bit. Me too, a little bit. But it's like, oh
all right,
my
here we
God,
go.
the bums be having that.
Ratchet video of the day. These two ratchet tricks talking about man's eggplant. Right? The ratchet video of the day. Let's go.
Sure, it's for the balance.
A bum a little bit. Me too, a little bit. But it's like, oh my God, the bums be having that fire dick. Like most of the time,
why they dick be so big?
The brokest ones got the best. Man, no cap.
You see, that's what they take their podcast. That's what they need to talk about on their podcast is who has the fire eggplant, who has the fire D. Right? That's what these girls are talking about on their podcast, taking up people's time, wasting their energy, wasting their products. You see the microphone, wasting the background, wasting the chair that they freaking sitting on, bro. To talk about fuckery, bro. Saying, continue.
And it be so big and thick.
So like, big and thick.
It's like, Terry, it be to the point where you be trying to put them on money plays.
You know. Oh, you know what? Oh my God, that you said that because I do. That's what I'm saying. I'm like, oh my God, yo, broke ass so fucking good. I got some money for you. Like, let's go get this bag. Question.
So all you have to do is pull out some money, flash it in front of these tricks, and then blood clot, you get anything that you want. What's the difference between a modern girl, 2024, who's looking for money, and a prostitute? What's the difference? You know what the difference is? Nothing.
And y'all, is head really necessary in your relationship?
All right, number 11, female head.
And don't just be saying anything. I'm dead serious. I ain't even gonna lie, for me, hell yes. And I used to be one of them girls that used to be like, oh, I don't really care for head or whatever. Until someone came along and stole my soul with their mouth. And I was like, oh, okay. So yeah, now a bitch definitely needs some head. Like, and they better give too.
Hey, I'm on my period.
Now this to me is absolutely disgusting. Number 12, getting a wax while you're on your menstrual. Why? Why? Why not just wait? Boy.
Will you still wax me? I generally don't do waxes while people are on their period because I just think that's just utterly disgusting.
Yeah, for my last job, we pretty much waxed whoever we could. I still do wax people on their periods. I just let them know, like, hey, it's going to be more sensitive and make sure you wear a tampon and we're good to go. And they have the decision to either get waxed or to wait. So I don't mind it, honestly. I just make sure I wax around the string and whatever, and whatever hair is left, like, you know, in that part, I let it be. Like, I get as much hair as I can. I'm not trying to pull nobody's tampon out. I'm not trying to see no blood or anything. So I do the best that I can. But I will prefer people to either book before or after their period. That way they can get a really good wax.
Yo, I don't know. Yo, what's nastier? The girl who comes in on her period with a tampon inside her tings? You talk about she wants to get a wax? Or the girl that's doing it, the wax itself. It's absolutely disgusting. Allow me to tell Woody. Jesus Christ. All right, so here's some stats. I just want everybody to know from the African diaspora outside of Africa. This is some really good information. Outside of Africa, I want you to know that Brazil does have the largest. You give me some music, man. I'm going to talk about this. Yo. Brazil is the largest African diaspora in the world outside of Africa with roughly 100 million people. Isn't that amazing? So here in Canada, I'm in Toronto, Canada. We only have 1.5 million African or black people, if you want to call it that for lack of better term, African Canadians or Africans outside of the diaspora of Africa. 1.5 million Canada. In the USA, we have 41.6 million melanated people. So we all think like, wow, is that amazing? Huh? The Caribbean, all the islands such as Antigua, such as Jamaica, Haiti, Dominica, St. Lucia, Barbados, all of those islands, we combine together approximately 22 million Africans outside of Africa, right? And you know how we got there, right? Right? We know. And then here we go now with the big dogs. 130 million Africans outside of Africa are in South America. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing? So, yo, our African people, we have trod this land. Every land on this planet is indigenous to us. And this show is not about that, but I want to give some information to the African diaspora here. It's the Mr. Show. And I read
But I would prefer people to either book before or after the period. That way they can get a really good wax.
Amazing. Just amazing. I love it.
8 times 6.
Okay, now here we go. Basic math, and this is absolutely embarrassing. Y'all going to school to do what? What you guys do in school? What you guys do in school? What is 8 times 6?
8 times 6? Yes, ma'am, amigo. 8 times 6, Miss Liz. Huh? Huh? 92?
92?
92?
Liz.
Wow.
Nah, don't use that as an excuse.
Liz. 3 times 7.
21.
21, that's
Nice.
great.
I like your pussycat. 21.
Could you imagine we have to give people props for getting the most basic grade 3 math correct? 7 times 3? No, sorry, he said 3 times 7 is 21, right? And we giving her big props for getting that right. Yeah, this world is crazy. Let's keep going.
7 times 3.
So the other girl just did 3 times 7. Shout out to King Jammies, the musical track in the back, Punani.
Okay, we can't do it.
Wow. She just had the answer.
8 times 5.
Come on, 8 times 5.
8 times 5, honey.
Stress.
8 times 5.
Stress.
Huh? I want you to know this so bad. No, not 8 times. 8 times 5, sweetheart. 40. 40.
Yay!
There we go.
Now, video number 14 is Ratchet video number 2, right? Second Ratchet video of this show. So look at the pigeon, bro. And look what's in front of the pigeon. Yo.
This nigga done found a pad.
His eyes open. What did you talk about?
Yo, bro. Yo, bro didn't even move. Rewind that. Man found a bag for real, yo. The little pigeon didn't even move, brother. Woody. Yo, check this out, yo.
His eyes open. What did you talk about?
This is when dance was nice. This is when it was nice. Look at that boombox. Look at that boombox. rolling through New York City, it looks like. Very nice. Yeah, I want one of those. This is when life was simple, bro. Capsized. Number 16, what would you do if you're in the middle of the ocean and you saw that? Whoa. Capsized. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. Capsized.
Oh my god.
Boy. Number 17, unspoken facts. BW women talking about black women. So she's got something to say, and I'm gonna have to agree with pretty much everything she says. Let's go.
As BW women as a whole, as a community, I'ma just go off and say it since y'all act like y'all don't want to. We look pitiful. As a whole, we look classless. We look distasteful.
Boy.
Women as a whole, as a community, I'ma just go off and say it since y'all act like y'all don't want to. We look pitiful. As a whole, we look classless. We look distasteful. And the type of women that we have representing us, this is the type of people that y'all give platforms. Then y'all get mad when they say something to trigger y'all. Notice that they don't never want to give BW women a platform unless we up there degrading ourselves, unless we up there being distasteful, being ratchet, being loud, being full of drama. That's the only time you will see BW women getting a platform.
I'm sorry, but honestly, have a little bit of class. And my TikTok account got deleted. This is my 6th TikTok account. I had 500,000 followers. TikTok account gone because I'm saying the same thing that this woman is saying. Y'all got me banned 6 times because I said stop using men for money and being promiscuous.
You know, that's the world that we live in nowadays. Society has gone to the crapper. So she lost her TikTok accounts because she's trying to give women, young girls, some good advice. Stop using men. Do you understand what I'm saying? Work for your own. Take accountability for the bullcrap that you do. And when she does that, she gets banned because she looks like the type that would say that. But then the other girl didn't get banned because she looked like the type that she's talking to. But it's funny that they're both saying the same thing, if that makes any sense to you. Rewind. Unspoken facts number 17. Let's go.
As a whole, we look classless. We look distasteful. And the type of women that we have representing us, this is the type of people that y'all give platforms. Then y'all get mad when they say something to trigger y'all. Notice that they don't never want to give BW women a platform unless we up there degrading ourselves, unless we up there being distasteful, being ratchet, being loud, being full of drama. That's the only time you will see BW women getting a platform.
I'm sorry, but honestly, have a little bit of class. And my TikTok account got deleted. This is my 6th TikTok account. I had 500,000 followers. TikTok account gone because I'm saying the same thing that this woman is saying. Y'all got me banned 6 times because I said stop using men for money and being promiscuous.
You know the question. Would you want to be stuck in the woods with a bear or a man? And most women say bear? Okay. Okay, let's go. Meanwhile in Brampton, aka Bangladesh. Brampton. Right. Sorry. We are not the same. After every wedding, they throw the bouquet out. And let's see how women react to the bouquet and how men react to the bouquet. Got it. Men. Now men's turn. Catch the bouquet. Move your blood. Clap for us. All right, so you don't know. Thanks for tuning in to the Mr. Show. And I, Red Pill Rixter. Remember to like and subscribe. Remember to like and subscribe.